Hello, this is Anastasia Gors from PilatesBridge.com. In this quick video tutorial, I would like to show you how to add your business, your Pilates studio to Google Maps. So it's really important if you would like your studio to appear in map results on Google to take like 3-5 minutes to complete this step. So let me show you like real quick what this actually means. So we'll type in Pilates Charlotte, North Carolina. So over here we see the map results. So if you would like to appear, your studio to appear anywhere in these results, or like if you actually click on the maps, or if you're searching on your Google Maps app on your phone, if you would like your business to appear anywhere among these results, you need to complete this step and add your free listing. So let's go to our page. So Google, in order to go here, let's go to google.com/business, or you can simply type in Google Business. The listing is free, so we're just going to click on this green Start Now button. We're going to add the business name. I'm just going to create just a fake business right here. Here we go. We're going to agree to it. Now, this is where we're going to add our location. So here's a quick note over here. In the past, home studio owners usually never added their business to Google Maps just because of the privacy. They don't want anybody showing up at their front door, or there's just a lot of things to consider. But now, even home studio owners can add their services to Google Maps, but not disclose their actual physical address. So we're just going to add a location over here. We're just going to do anything. Let's see. Just going to create some kind of business over here. Doesn't really matter. So let's say that if you would like to hide your address from Google. So what you would do, you're going to click on I deliver goods and services to my customers, and hide my address. So it's not a store. It will only show region. For example, in my case, it's going to be Charlotte, US. So a quick note here, if you're going to do this, your business will show up under some of the searches, but not as many as if you actually disclose your address. So here's like a quick example of what that means. This is just Google Maps results for website developer. If I type it in, this is my listing over here, GP Web Lab. It's gonna appear, but I don't have actually my address listed on it. This just shows this like radius over here. If I type in like website developer near me, I will still show up because Google will simply give you the result that's closest to you. I'm at my home right now, so obviously my address is the closest to me right now, plus I have some pretty nice reviews over here. If I type in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is like literally 5 minutes away from me, I don't show up anymore, just because I'm not quite in that location and Google will not treat it that way. So there's a little bit of a downside to it, but still there's a chance, like if you're in a smaller area, not much competition, or whether it is or it's not, it's just a good idea to add your business. So let's continue. So we're going to click on next. How do you deliver goods and services? So for a home studio, I would probably pick deliver in person within region, because this will let you actually add your location. So let's see, we have Charlotte, North Carolina over here, added, and then we can go to next. Then we're going to go to a business category. Now, if you want to show your address, all you would do is, we're just going to go back, exit out. Over here, just uncheck this. And here you're back at the business category. In our case, it's going to be Pilates Studio. Next, we're just going to add our address. Phone number, I'm not going to add mine right now, but obviously you would want to add your phone number to this. You would agree to that you take full responsibility of the listing. And the last step is to actually verify your business. Google whether you decided to hide your address or not. In both cases, you will be taken to this page, and Google will send you a postcard by mail. So you should have a deliverable physical shipping address that Google can send that postcard to. If it's whether it's your home or it's a commercial space, doesn't really matter, as long as you can receive mail over there. This is what you need over here. The mail will be, you're just gonna add your contact name, and the postcard will be sent to this address that you entered over here. It might take anywhere, I've seen it from just about 5 days to about 3 weeks for Google to actually get that postcard to you, depends. Once you receive the postcard, it will have a little verification code, several like letter number combinations, and the instructions on where you will enter those. You will just go back to Google Business, and on your listing, while it's in pending status, you will add that verification code, and then your business will be verified. You'll be able to add more details about your business, photos. The clients will be able to leave reviews. You can add your working hours and things like that. Now, quick word of caution over here. Usually, it will take at least 1 month after your listing has been verified, for Google to index it and for you to start showing up under local searches. It can take, I've seen it from 1 to 3 months. Some people say up to 6 months. Usually like 3 months was the longest that I've seen it that Google took to index the listing. So the more information you start adding, you direct your clients to your Google listing page, ask them to leave a review, you're adding some kind of posts, things like that. This will help your listing to actually get indexed a little bit faster and start showing up in search results. Another great thing that you can do right now, Google has partnered up with several major online booking systems, including Mindbody Online, Schedulicity, I believe Wellness Living is another one, and there's like a whole list of them. And you can actually add your class schedule directly to your Google listing, and clients can reserve the class immediately from your Google listing, which can be a huge way to grow, to market your business, if you just kind of allow certain classes to be you know to be reserved online. So I hope this video was helpful. A little bit of information. It's a very quick process, will take you literally like 2 minutes to complete it, get it done. List your business on Google, your Pilates studio on Google, so that you can start attracting more clients. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.